Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong has said the Harijan colony residents have to be relocated at any cost. He said that he will call a meeting between the HPC of the Harijan Panchayat Committee and the government once the blueprint is made. The Urban Affairs Department has been asked to prepare the blueprint for the relocation showing all possible locations apart from the TB hospital area, Tynsong said. The Dorbashnong of Mauba had met him to convey their stiff opposition to the shifting of the Harijan colony residents to TB hospital premises.
Let us wait, because as I said to you, I have already instructed Urban Affairs Department to bring me the blueprint. Of course, one of the area is TB hospital, and then maybe they have another options, another alternative. So for that, I don't have to mention anything. Of course, that day I met the headman along with his committees, along with the local MLA, who has expressed their discontentment, their displeasure to shift these people from the existing location.